Morgan, and I am a custodian at Ixonia Elementary.
Hi, I'm Lucas from Summit Elementary.
Hi, my name is Linda, and I am a night lead at Greenland Elementary School.
Hi, I'm Mike, head custodian at Silver Lake Intermediate School.
Hi, I'm Tracy Peterson, Buildings and Grounds Operations Supervisor for the district.
In today's video, we are going to follow the CDC guidelines for disinfecting and cleaning.
We are also following OSHA and EPA guidelines.
We are also utilizing ISSA's response to the coronavirus.
We already have best practices for cleaning and disinfecting throughout the district.
We are also following Wisconsin DPI's Education Forward Best Practices. Each one of our schools is equipped with a disinfecting sprayer.
With the sprayer, we can disinfect common areas and common touch points around the schools. With the sprayer, we can quickly and easily disinfect lockers in the hallways.
Moving on to classrooms, we've already done our general cleaning. We've removed the garbage, recycling, and picked up debris on the floor and vacuumed.
Now I'm going to move on to disinfecting the classrooms for the health and well-being of the staff and students. My first step is to spray down all the desks and chairs with disinfectant to give it dwell time. With my saturated cleaning cloth, I will be wiping all the surfaces of the desks and chairs. And don't forget the edges. It is also important to disinfect the teacher's desk. And in classrooms with sinks, we want to make sure we disinfect the sinks, the countertops, and the dispensers. We also want to make sure we get the pencil sharpener. Other touch points will include the door handle, the door frame, and also the light switches.
Another main area that we want to disinfect in the district is our common areas, such as this library.
Using my disinfectant cleaner, I first want to spray down the surface. Now that I sprayed down my surface, I want to saturate my cleaning cloth and wipe it down. As you can see, the surface is still wet to allow proper disinfection. Next, we want to move to other common area touch points. Here's another frequently used touch point area. And don't forget about the edges. And here's another high touch point area. We also want to get the touch point areas on the door.
As for the bathrooms, we already have best practices in place for cleaning and disinfecting every night. Periodically throughout the day, we will be disinfecting touch points in our bathrooms. Now Linda will be demonstrating The disinfection of our touch points throughout the day, remembering that we are deep cleaning at night.
First, I want to disinfect my dispensers with a saturated cloth. Next, we're going to move on to the sinks. Next, I want to hit the touch points in the bathroom stalls. Next, on your way out, we want to hit the door handles.
For the purposes of this video, I will be removing my mask. In this section, we will be covering our core cleaning chemicals. Our first chemical is Spick and Span, which is our all-purpose general cleaner and disinfectant, and it can be used on all surfaces, including glass. Next is Procter & Gamble's 33, which is a disinfectant cleaner that can be used on all surfaces, including cafeteria tables. The last one is our bathroom disinfectant, Comet. To ensure the safety of all of our custodians, each cart is supplied with a box of gloves.
What are you gonna say?
I don't know.
Here's another high touch point area. Backwards.
Go ahead. 3, 2.
Here's another high point touch. No, I can't keep doing it backwards.
We have vacuumed, picked out, oh, sorry.
Yep. No.
After saturating the desks, no, that's not right.
Go ahead.
Cloth. Should we do this over?
2.
Other touch points will include,
Disinfectant cleaning cloth. No, that's not right.
don't forget the edges.
First, I want to disinfect.
We will be,
That's
how do
fine.
we say it? Next, screwed up already. Yeah.
No, that's right. 3, 2.
To maximize, whatever.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I work at, no.